Xerox Printer Error Code 116-324 Network Controller Error Fix. So if you are getting this specific error, one of the first things you can do is to just turn off the Xerox printer. Power the printer off completely. So if your model has a main power switch, toggle that and use it and wait until the screen is fully off. Next, you're going to have to disconnect the network cable, unplug the Ethernet or network cable from the back of the printer, and just go ahead and wait for a few seconds once you do this. And then just turn the printer back on. Power the printer on with the network cable still unplugged, and if the error disappears, the issue is likely coming from a stuck or corrupt print job on the network. So you can go ahead and clear pending print jobs. You can go to a connected computer or print server and then cancel all these print jobs in the queue. Now this is an HP test jet we're showing, but basically the same thing where you cancel whichever kind of print that is going on or is on queue. Finally, you can update the driver or call Xerox support. If the error does still return, you can install the correct Xerox driver and try disabling advanced printing features. And if 116.324 still appears, even with the printer disconnected from the network, it may be a controller memory or hardware issue and support may be needed. So those are a few things you can put in mind if you are getting this error. So hopefully the information in this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.